अज खैर दे बदल बनता पिन रब पाक करे मी वस पोवे ई त्रामण तपदी रोही दी कुछ जान ठरे मी वस पोवे।
District Multan is one of the largest districts of Punjab province and falls at the core of the hottest areas of the region. Jalalpur Pirwala Tehsil of Multan is spread over an area of 978 km. A population of 5.5 million residing in the Tehsil are widely facing the shortages of safe drinking water, especially in rural areas. This shortage gets worse during the summer and dry seasons, resulting in consumption of contaminated water by humans, animals, and a creation of drought-like situation. Rural Aid, being one of the leading development organizations of Pakistan, undertakes multiple interventions in vulnerable areas of the country such as Multan. In order to reduce the water deficiency, Rural Aid partnered with Penny Appeal UK to provide safe drinking water to over 35,000 beneficiaries living in most water-deprived areas of the district. A total number of 500 hand pumps were installed to benefit the target communities. Community-led approach of Rural Aid ensured that the benefit of hand pumps reaches to the most deserving population. For the purpose, a thorough need assessment and beneficiary selection process was adopted.
इस प्रोजेक्ट के थ्रू साइट सिलेक्शन में 100% बेवा, माजूर और गरीब तरीन घरानों को शामिल किया गया है। ना ही हमने इन घरानों को पानी तक इनकी रसाई को यकीनी बनाया है, बल्कि प्री और पोस्ट टेस्ट के थ्रू इनकी पानी की क्वालिटी को भी यकीनी बनाया है।
Rural Aid took on board all the major stakeholders including community, government and like-minded organizations to make sure the project is used in the best possible way to fill the gaps in wash sector. In order to ensure the optimum use of resources and achieve greater value for money, Rural Aid administered its procurement and hiring policies so that best possible solutions could be accessed with rational use of funds. Similarly, by employing its complaint handling mechanism and safeguarding policy, Rural Aid also managed to upkeep its principles of accountability, transparency, to further ensure no harm to the beneficiaries. Water quality tests and environmental considerations helped in avoiding harmful water and ecological degradation. On one hand, where the project was successful in providing much needed water relief to marginalized communities at their doorstep, it also helped in improving health and hygiene conditions of the area.
बहुत परेशान आसे पानी भरण में आसे जितने भरण में दे पीवन की तेरी मुश्किल थींदी है धावन की ते दरिया दे में आसे ऊपर कपड़े दे में आसे बालें गुथु धोवन में आसे हम सारे घरे नलका लगे साफ सुथरा पानी है बाल पीने में खुशहाल जिनकी है सारी जिनकी बदल गई है असानी कोशिश है सारे बाल ही कोशिश साफ सुथरा पानी पीने सेहतमंद थी गए पहले बीमार हम हुन बहुत खुशी है साको असा यूं पैगाम देने से अल्लाह से उन्हें को बड़ी तरक्की भी देवे लंबी उम्र देवे ताकि इन्हें गरीबें दा मदद करें दिला में।
Through this project, Rural Aid not only reduced the waterborne diseases but also brought down the livestock mortality rate and hardship of women due to collection of water from far-fetched areas. In line with its community-based approach, Rural Aid gives high value to the sustainability of the intervention. So a lot of effort was put in forming, training and equipping operations and maintenance committees in this project. Community-based groups were formed to work as these committees to undertake routine troubleshooting and maintenance of these hand pumps. Project has received lot of appreciation from the government.
नल का लगन नाल सबको बहुत सहूलत मिली है। बहुत परेशान आसे पहले लोग के घर में जैसे 100 गाली सुनते आसे अल्लाह ताला इदारे को अगुती हुई कामयाब रखे.
And local stakeholders during the regular meetings that were conducted in the project coordination committee. These committee meetings were a regular feature of the project and helped not only in sharing the lessons and progress of the project but also take On board the valuable ideas and opinions of experts. Based on the learning from the project, Rural Aid plans to carry out further similar projects in Multan and do its best to provide safe drinking water to over 3 million water-stricken communities.
अल्लाह से सबको पानी दीते खुश निहाल थी गए से खुश थे से सारे किते दुआएं मांगदे से सारे किते दुआएं मांगदे से आज से अल्लाह हमें जानल काली के आबाद होवे सुखा होवे मदीना या खुश हमने से उन्हें दे बच्चे जीवन लाख जीवन